get ready to make the sweet noodle sauce. This is basically from Southeast Asia. So this is in one of the 28 ingredients you need. You need Thai or Hispanic coconut milk, whichever, as long as it's coconut milk. And you need Thai sweet Thai noodle sauce. So I use 1 hot and 2 legless cans. And you also need the Japanese noodles. So that's how Japanese dry noodle looks like. So, and that's the name of the noodles. So you don't have to get the Japanese, you can get Chinese, but I like Japanese style noodles. Okay, what is in the pot for now is one of the coconut milk. So I simmering down till the white milk is disappears. So you see the white don't turn a little bit brown, and simmering slow until it clear. Okay, for this sauce I use a chicken to be boil my meat. So I use chicken tenders right now. I'm boiling chicken tenders so make sure it's cooked. So it's still boiling. For my dish, I also going to add brown mushroom spot, about a cup. Okay, this is how the coconut milk cooked down looks like. So now I'm ready to add the other ingredients into the same pots. So make sure you use it. So this is from 1 can of coconut milk. Get ready to be ready to mix with the other ingredients. So, okay. Then add the Thai sweet sauce into the pot. Okay, mix this with the coconut milk that I cooked down earlier. So now start cooking the sauce until it turns brown. Okay, this is the cooked chicken tenders. So next, we need to chop it up in little pieces. Okay, make sure constantly stir in the sauce so it won't burn down the bottom. So we're almost ready. Just add ingredients. Okay, this is how shredded chicken looks like. So now it's ready to mix with the other ingredients in the pot. Okay, chicken's in the pot. Mix with the other ingredients. Let it wheel. Mix it well. Cook it slow. Okay, now it's ready to add water into the sauce. Okay, water's added. Let it simmer for at least half an hour. Then add more water. Okay, sweet noodle sauce is boiling right now, so it's almost done. The last step, I'm gonna add another cold coconut milk, and it should be done. So this is how the sweet noodle sauce looks like with chicken meat. And you can add salt, pepper, or fish sauce, soy sauce, whichever taste that you like, and add the chicken bouillon to bring it up to my taste. This is complete sweet noodle sauce. And this is how it looks like with mushroom, chicken and mushroom. Boiling Japanese sweet noodles. Okay, the noodles in the process of boiling right now. Let it boil for 10 minutes before it's be ready to serve. Once the noodles cook, put in the drainer to drain the water off and wash it with cold water. About 5 minutes. Washing the noodle until the hot water gone, and make sure the water, make sure the noodle will not stick together. Okay, noodles, cabbage, cilantro, and onion. Now get ready to mix with the noodle sauce, sweet noodle sauce. Sweet noodle Asian dish.